Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a home cleaning service website using Shopify. First, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here to our product section. Here we're going to click on add product and now we're going to start filling all the blanks with our product's information. For example, I'm going to start with my weekly visit visit for deep cleaning. And now we're going to copy our title, and here on the description we're going to click over here on generate text. We're going to paste our title, and here we're going to click on generate. Now Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to make a description for us, and here we can either choose to generate a description again or just click here to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on Upload New to choose an image for our product. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And here on our right, we're going to have a product type, vendor, collection, and tags section. For collections, make sure you add your product to your homepage collection. And in tags, we can put whatever we like. For example, I'm going to put home cleaning. Now here below our image we're also going to have a category section. Usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us and it's almost always going to be correct, but if we want we can click over here to change it to whichever one we would like. For the pricing, let's say that I'm going to charge around, let's say, 80,000 pesos, and my cost per item is going to be around, let's say, 60,000 pesos. This is going to leave us a 20,000 pesos profit at a 25% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a weight section to assign weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. Once we are done customizing our product, we are going to go over here on save and we're going to save our first product. As you can see here, we have our first product ready. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm finished doing that. So as you can see guys, here I have added a bunch of new products. For example, a laundry service, my bathroom deep cleaning, and an appliances deep cleaning. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our online store and here we're going to start to customize it. The first thing that we're going to be able to change is going to be its theme. And here if we go down, you can see that Shopify is going to provide us a bunch of different free themes. But if we want to shop for more of them, we can visit the Shopify theme store right over here. And as you can see here, we're going to have a lot more themes to look at, some of which may better suit our website. For me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, we're going to click on customize. And here we're going to start customizing our website. You can see that if I click over here on this section, it's going to be outlined by a blue line. And here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options that we can use to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner. And if we click here, we're going to select an image to be our banner. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And here, when I click on done, as you can see, the image is going to change. Now, let's say that I want to change our heading also over here. We're going to put, for example, welcome to my home cleaning welcome to my home cleaning website. There you go. Now let's say that we also want to add a new section. What we're going to do is we're going to click over here on that section, and here we're going to have a bunch of different options. For example, featured collection, a featured product, collection list, rich text, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product. And here we're going to highlight one of our products. For example, if we click over here on select, I'm going to choose my weekly visit for deep cleaning. As you can see here, the product is going to be displayed right over here. And let's say that we want to change the color scheme. We're going to put a nice dark theme over there. There you go. As you can see, the theme is going to change. Another thing that can happen, for example, is that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, this featured collection, and we want to delete it. What we're going to do is make sure we have this section we want to delete selected, and once it's selected, we're going to go over here on the bottom right to remove section. Once we click it, you can see that the section is going to be completely removed. We can also add sections to our footer. For example, here we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. Here we can add also a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right over here where it says my store, our store's name is going to be displayed. In order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes. We're going to go back, sorry, over here. We're going to go to the home page of Shopify, name your store, name store again, and here we would be able to change our store's name. I'm just going to put, for example, home cleaning. I'm going to save my changes. And now in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back here on our online store. But now instead of customize, we're going to click on the three dots, preview, and this is going to redirect us to our website. As you can see, here on our header, the name of our store is going to be changed. And if we scroll down, well, here you can see that I have put two modules. For example, you can look for errors. If you scroll down over here, we can make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. So once we are done checking out our website, we're going to go back over here in order to go over the analytics and marketing section. And next we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as for example which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section. Here if we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say we're going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on Browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click Save Discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.